Okay, so here we go. Burleson 2025. This year I'm only doing a 30 miler. Last year I actually did a 67 mile ride, but yeah, this year I'm gonna keep it a little more conservative and not do the big long route this time. How you doing, sir?
All right.
And I really haven't had an opportunity to get a lot of bike riding in this year. You know, but either way, I'm preparing. Got a couple of months before the ride takes place, and I should be ready. If you've never done the Burleson Honey Tour, it's a nice event. It's pretty cool. Very, very well organized event. So that is a for sure thing right there. But anyway, I'm gonna keep this video short. Just an update, a short update on my progress, which hasn't been much, but either way, enjoy the short ride.